You saw the title, Steal $8,000 per month from your KDP competitors, spying their secret keywords. And yes, that's exactly what we're going to show you how to do today, because let's face it, when a single low content book is bringing in thousands per month, there's no reason that you should be guessing what to publish. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I spy on top selling books and cover the keywords that they're ranking for and use that data to steal my competitors' customers. This isn't a gimmick, it's not even unethical, it's just plain smart. The most successful publishers have been using this process for years, quietly tracking their competitors' keywords, listings, and BSR patterns. And today, I'm handing you that strategy step by step. You'll see the exact tool that I use, how I analyze the data, and how to ethically use what's already working to your advantage. This method has helped me earn well over 6 figures on KDP, and today, you're gonna know exactly how. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now for this video, I already found a potentially profitable niche that you can enter, but if you want an in-depth niche research video, just check out the other videos on my channel. This one's gonna be specifically how to spy those secret keywords that your competitors are using so you can steal their monthly royalties. Now this niche is called the Bold and Easy Coloring Book Vacation. This is an actual term that people on Amazon are actively searching, and everything is looking good. We have a niche score of 71, very high. Total results 271, so not a lot of competitors. Average bestsellers rank 735,000. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure on that first page that the books are actually selling. So if we go through the books on the first page, we see right here 455,000. So this book is selling one copy every 1 or 2 days. This one right here, 562, same kind of deal. 331, this is closer to a sale a day. And then this one, 592. And as we move down here, we see better rankings, 132,000. This one, 117,000, selling about maybe 2 or 3 books per day. And then this book is ranked at 69,000, so selling multiple units per day. So we see all throughout this first page, a lot of books selling very, very well. So we know that there's demand here. We know that these books are successful, and that's exactly what we want to look for before we get to the next step. So here is the bestseller in this niche. This one is called Cozy Summer Bold and Easy Coloring Book for Adults and Teens, featuring fun summer designs for stress relief and relaxation. This one has the #1 bestseller badge. Now, actually going back to the search page, another thing that I look for along with the bestsellers rank is a price point of $9.99. And the reason why I want to see some books here priced at $9.99 is because of the recent price change on Amazon KDP, where any books that are priced below $9.99 are going to have their royalties slashed 10%, and they're going to have basically lower royalties per book. So at $9.99, you're still going to get your standard royalty rate of 60%. And we do see quite a few books here priced at that $9.99 price point. As with this book, this one's priced at $9.99. And we see with a rating 4.7 out of 5, 84% is a 5-star. So a lot of good reviews here. And if we look at the interior of the book, here are very simple images. We have a flamingo, volleyball, sunglasses, a sun hat, and so on and so forth. This is easily made through AI, not that hard to make. You can watch the other videos on my channel on how to make this exact type of book. And the thing about these books is they're not very long. This one's 72 pages overall, only 30 designs. So only 30 coloring pages. And this one is that square type, 8.5 by 8.5 inches. And we can see some sales data right here. So from the moment it's sold, you can see it's just been selling very, very well ever since. It's ranking well into the 1,000, 2,000 on average. Now, another reason this book is selling so well is because of the A+ content. We can see very well designed. We have some pictures of the interior, the cover, what it looks like as the actual book. So some mock-ups and some more pages of the interior. Now, if you want to learn how to do A+ content and boost your sales, I'm going to put a marker up on the screen right now. You can go ahead and watch how to create A+ content so you can sell more books. This is completely free to do on the Amazon KDP platform, so you might as well take advantage of it. Now, let's just take a look at that bestsellers rank. 2046, put into this KDP book sales calculator, we see an estimated book sales, 87 books per day, which is a lot, and over 2,600 book sales per month, which is actually pretty insane. Now, if we go ahead and go to KDP's royalty calculator, we can put in all of the details here. Like I have 8.5 by 8.5 inches, 72 page count, list price $9.99, submit that. And we're gonna see right here, Amazon.com marketplace, estimated royalty $3.15. Now, the reason I want to see books that are priced at $9.99 is because watch this. If you go 1 cent lower at $9.98, submit that, your royalties get slashed 50%. So for 1 cent lower on your price, you're going to get $1 less per book on royalties. So $2.15. So that's why I like to see books now priced at $9.99 to maintain that royalty rate. Now, if we go ahead and grab our calculator, let's put in $3.15 per book. Multiply that by the estimated book sales per month, which is 2,610. And we're gonna get over $8,200 per month in royalties from this single book. Now, this is the perfect example of a book that you want to spy on. Find their keywords, their secret keywords that they're using so that you can use it on your own books and basically steal their customers. Now, in order to do this, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom of the listing and look for right here where it says ASIN. It could also be this ISBN. So one of these two numbers right here, you're gonna want to copy. So I'm gonna grab the ASIN. And then you're gonna wanna go and use this tool right here called Publisher Rocket to be able to grab these secret keywords. This tool makes it so easy to grab your competitors' keywords so that you can use it on your own. And I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do once you have hold of your competitors' keywords, because there's no point having them and not knowing where to put them or where to use them. So stick around for that. Now on Publisher Rocket, you're gonna wanna go to this module right here called Reverse ASIN Lookup. If you click that, just paste in that ASIN or ISBN and then click Go Get 'em Rocket. Now just wait a few seconds and Publisher Rocket is gonna give you a list of all the keywords this book has ranked for on Amazon. And as you can see, look at all the keywords right here. And there's 10 pages of keywords. Now, what you can do is, as you can see, there's an average sales column, searches per month, and competition score. You can go ahead and look through all of these keywords until your heart's content. And what you're looking for is a low competition score, signified by a green color, and a high searches per month, signified by a green color here. You can also look at the average sales in this column. And so you can do it this way, where you can grab only the keywords that have the green colored boxes. So for example, cozy summer coloring book looks like a potentially successful keyword. This one as well, coloring book summer cozy, and do that for the entire list. If we go to page 6, we can see there are even terms that are spelled incorrectly, cozy summer, missing the E. And as you can see, 2 greens right here. So this could be potentially a good keyword to go after. But personally, what I like to do is I like to export all of these keywords, all 10 pages of these keywords. So hit export right here. I'm gonna export all. Now, if you export analyze, it's only gonna export the ones that you click that magnifying glass, but let's go ahead and export all. And when you look at the file, you can see all the ones analyzed, it keeps that data here, but all I want is to have all of these keywords. Now, if we scroll all the way down, we can see this is a list of 751 keywords, and that's really all we need. So what do you do after you have all these keywords? Well, what you want to do is you want to go over to your KDP dashboard under marketing, and we want to create an ad for this book. So if we choose our marketplace, Amazon.com, go to Amazon ads. Now create a new campaign, and you want to choose sponsored products. So go ahead and continue there. Now with the ad format, make it simple. Just do a standard ad. You can name your ad group name. Now all you have to do is search for your book. So I'm just gonna add this book right here for this tutorial. So now that you have your product in there, we can go ahead and move on to the next section. Now here you wanna do manual targeting. And under manual targeting, you wanna choose keyword targeting. Now under here, this is where we're gonna add all of our keywords. What you wanna do is you want to do a custom bid, and you want to keep it low. Now for me, I start at 15 cents and then I start to lower the bid as I see keywords not perform the way that I want. Now you can filter this by broad, phrase, and exact, but since we have a specific list of keywords, I'm going to uncheck broad and phrase and stick to exact. I'm going to remove all of this and we're going to enter a list right here. Now all I literally do is I copy the entire list. So we're gonna go all the way down to 700 something keywords, copy it, and then just paste it in here. And all of those keywords are there. Add those keywords. And as you can see, 721 added, and they're all 15 cents. And it's as simple as that. Now you wanna do your campaign bidding strategy. I do not do up and down. I don't want Amazon to play with my money. I do down only, dynamic bids. And then I don't play around with bid adjustments for the most part. And then name your campaign settings and then your daily budget. I stick to $5 per day. That's it. And then scroll all the way down, hit launch campaign. And that's really all it takes to get started with ads, especially with this method where you can actually pinpoint and target these exact keywords that your competitors have been ranked for, and hopefully some of these you will outrank them and you can start grabbing some of their sales. Now, if you want to check out Publisher Rocket for yourself, I'm going to leave the link down below. And if you made it this far, this is a bonus section. So congratulations. I'm going to show you how to get started making this book so that you can actually take advantage of these keywords with a completed book. So with that being said, let's get started. Now you can use any AI generator that you want to use to create these books, but I like to use Nurier Creator specifically for beginners because they just make it super simple. So all you have to do is stick to AI generation. And then for this option, you have a done for you solution or a freestyle. Now I chose the freestyle option here, but the done for you option is very, very easy. All you have to do is describe the object or the character that you want. As you can see, I chose some right here: sandcastle, watermelon slice, pineapple. You can do an optional situation and then choose one of these many art styles. Add all the prompts that you want, up to 10. You can generate 10 at a time. So for this one, you can choose to have no background, which means you can have a white blank space on the back, or you could do a background layer assist, which fills in that background with more coloring elements. And then select your image size. So for this one, which is a square 8.5 by 8.5 inch, we stick with that. And then your line thickness, typically I stick with thick for this type of book, and then generate images. So the prompt that I use for this one is cute, simple sandcastle in a pop art style. And as you can see, we can use any which one of these. It'll work well with this type of coloring book. The next one, cute, simple watermelon slice in a pop art style. And right off the bat, I'm liking maybe the last one right here. The next one is cute pineapple in a pop art style. It didn't come out exactly how I want, but if I regenerate or change the prompt, I'm sure I can get this exactly how I want. Now, a simple sailboat. And then for the next section, this is a hot air balloon. It's doable, but there are some artifacts and some things here that need to be cleaned up. This cute, simple sunflower. There are a couple options here that can be used. And then the anchor, which we can use this one, it's pretty clean. And then the dolphin, there are two images here of the dolphin that have done well. And then that last set of images, I did a pina colada. It didn't really turn out how I wanted it. I want thick lines, but these are very thin lines. and then a simple cactus, which one of these can do well, specifically maybe the second one right here, or even this last one. Now, what you want to do is you want to download these images either as a PNG or SVG. And then you're going to want to get a free account on Canva. Link is down below, and create a custom size 8.5 by 8.5 inches. Create that new design. Now, typically for the first page is a book belongs to page. So it goes like this. This book belongs to, and then just drag it out like that. So it's a single line. You can make it smaller, just kind of center it somewhere on the page. And what I like to do is I like to go to effects up here and hollow it out. And actually you can play with the thickness here. You can change the font to something nicer like this, or maybe this, and then resize it, and then go back to elements here, get the line shape, put it on the bottom, drag it to the end. And then there you go. This is the first page. Now you want to add a page. This is going to be the second page. This is going to be the back side to this page. So when you're dealing with a coloring book, you don't want to put anything on the back of those images because of bleed through purposes. So typically we're going to leave this blank, add another page. So page 3, that's where we're going to start putting all of our images that we created from Nuriye Creator. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of these images, drag it onto Canva, simple as that. And it's going to start uploading right here. As we can see, there it is. Now I'm just going to choose the images that I want to include in my coloring book. So for example, there's a watermelon. Just going to make it bigger. And then there you go, add a page. This is the backside, remember, so add another page and then the next image. So let's go with this one, put it on the bottom, and then add a page. So you get the idea. So you're just going to go through all the images that you have here, put it on every other page on Canva. And if you need more images, just go back to Nuriye Creator, keep generating images until you have a complete book, typically 30 to 40 images. Now, once you have all your images on every other page, it should look a little something like this. I just duplicated the images just to show you what it should look like. This one's 80 pages, so about 40 images here. And then all you have to do to complete this book, share, download this as a PDF print, make sure it's all pages, and then choose RGB or CMYK if you have the Canva Pro, and then hit download. Now on Nuriye Creator, they have a book cover generator. So you can choose the book size, so 8.5 by 8.5 inches. I put the page count. You can choose your cover color right here and then put in a cover title. So this is Bold and Easy Coloring Book Vacation. And then you can choose the title color here, and if you want to include the author or not, and then a short description of your book cover. So I just did the same thing, Vacation, Bold and Easy Coloring Book, and then just generate the front cover and see what it comes up with. And the thing about this is you can regenerate over and over and over until you have a front cover that you like. So for example, if you like this cover, you can go ahead and generate the PDF right here, which is going to give you the final cover that you can upload onto KDP. And it's going to be as simple as that. Now you can also generate another front cover if you want. And if you like this one better, you could go ahead and stick with this. Now what you could also do is you can upload an image, because on the back cover, typically you're going to want to put some of the pages of the interior here to showcase it. So if we go ahead and click upload image, and let's go ahead and upload all of these, and we see that only one came out. So I'm going to have to upload all the other ones separately. So we get this one right here, the next one, and then one more. And then we can just resize it all the same. And then just place it evenly so that customers can see what is included in the book. And then all you have to do is generate the PDF, and this will give you the final version of your cover, which is going to be right here. This is what you're going to upload onto KDP. So now you'd be complete with the interior and the front cover, so you can take advantage of the keywords for this book. The most successful KDP publishers don't guess, they study what's already working, and they build smarter books with that data. And now you know exactly how to do that as well. What I just shared is the same keyword spying process that's helped me consistently get my book sold without wasting time or relying on luck. The The link to Publisher Rocket is down below if you want to check it out. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Also, drop me a comment and let me know, would you like more videos like this where I break down tools and strategies on how to outsmart your competition? And if you're serious about scaling your KDP income, don't forget to grab my free KDP royalty roadmap. Link is also down below. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.